Don't get scared, just be prepared for the worst. The streets coerce my mind with crime. My nine bust shots and outbursts through your back, out your thinker, and show these crap niggas the power of the finger. Quran, you wouldn't believe the shit I fell upon. It was me and Havoc sipping on my wet Chandon. I went outside to drain my main vein for some relief. Found a backpack full of G notes, and like a thief I snatched it up. Back at the crib I stashed it up. Waited 2 days and started spending it fast as fuck. Straight up splurging, open like a virgin with our first piece of dick. 10 yards ain't shit. I blessed all the guards with thousands and cars. No more hustling, now we can open up bars to wash all this money clean. Nigga, it's the American dream, but it ain't as easy as it seems. Cause now these mob niggas looking for their cream, and word got back through this fiend that it was me who stole they loot. Now they putting out hits trying to shoot me, but I'm out in LA on the low, living Gucci and lavish. They try to take their money back, it's 2 to their cabbage. Quran, what's the haps, kid?
It's whatever, I got the heat, we can do this for sure. We all one when it comes down to it. Bloodshed and war, yo, we gotta live through it. We all one when it comes down to it. Bloodshed and war, if it comes down to it.
I break through with my WB crew, Q-ball packs to still having niggas running like fire drills. We sending frontals on permanent vacations like Jason. You get cut in half and left with your heart racing by the tech. You get smashed together like a cleavage and left a mystery like when Mary had Jesus, nigga. I'm sniping grounds like that white kid on how you learn and leave you on the ground with your fucking chest burning. What? We breaking out and unstoppable like acne. I'm rough and rugged, you cut more slack than khakis. When the Philly takes you to another state of mind, it causes you to wow and commit mad crimes. We dwell in the dark streets, selling Jeeps, 95 blazes. Call us a bunch of hell raisers. Timberlands and Scullies is all you see when you enter the harsh and rugged lands of Illinois.